In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your passwords using Zoho Vault. Let's dive right into the main workspace. This is the dashboard where all your saved passwords and secrets are neatly managed. It serves as your central hub for keeping everything secure and easily accessible. To begin adding a new password, you'll want to click on the Add Password button. This is the essential first step whenever you sign up for a new account or change an existing password that you want to safely store. Once you've clicked that button, you'll be prompted to enter the account name, the username, and of course, the password itself. It's a simple yet crucial task, ensuring all your login details are readily available when you need them. Additionally, Zoho Vault provides the option to add notes or tags at this step. These features allow you to keep your credentials organized. For example, you might add a note regarding when you last updated a password or use tags to categorize your accounts by type or priority level. This bit of organization can save a lot of time and confusion down the line, especially if you manage many accounts. Speaking of organization, let's talk about creating folders or categories within the dashboard. This is a valuable way to group similar accounts together, making it easier to find them later on. Think of this like organizing a digital filing cabinet. You could have a folder for social media accounts, another for work-related logins, and so forth. This approach streamlines your experience, ensuring you can quickly find the exact credential you're looking for. Once your passwords are sorted and stored, there's a handy search bar at the top of the dashboard. This feature allows you to quickly locate any stored account by simply typing in a few keywords. Whether it's an email address or part of the account name, this search function can incredibly speed up your process of finding the right details, making it an efficiency boon. When you need to view or use a specific password, simply click on the entry in your list. Zoho Vault will then securely display the details. It's a seamless way to retrieve your information while maintaining top-notch security. To make your login process even faster, Zoho Vault offers an autofill feature that works with a Chrome extension. By enabling this feature, your credentials can be automatically filled in when you visit websites, saving you time and effort while ensuring you don't have to remember complex passwords. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of using Zoho Vault for adding, organizing, and accessing your passwords securely. With these steps, you'll find managing your passwords is not only easier, but also more secure. Thanks for watching, and happy password managing.